Hello traders, welcome to Zion Traders YouTube channel. On this channel, I document my trading journey. I share my directional bias on daily basis, and I journal and review my trades every week, guys. So if you are interested in my content, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification icon there so you get notified whenever I upload new videos, guys. So like I said, on a daily basis, right? So this is just one of the video, right? I'm making for today is Monday, and I'm making this video in respect of what I'm looking at, what my directional bias is on Tuesday 25th 2024, right? So guys, as we can see, we analyzed this yesterday. This was our analysis yesterday. I have not deleted anything. So you can see, guys, it played out. I told you guys yesterday that my bias on Monday was going to be bearish, so make sure you watch the video yesterday's direction bias for you to confirm this if you want to. That was where we outlined this, and we said that we were looking at price trading into this. It's actually a fair value gap on the daily time frame, right? So currently price is right on that fair value gap. So what's the next step? What are we expecting next? Is a buy continuation. That's actually what I'm anticipating from this zone. So on Monday, coming into Monday, Tuesday, London section open, I'll be looking for buys to the upside. It's as simple as that, guys. So now, where is our draw liquidity? This is pretty our draw on liquidity here. This relative equal highs, which is external range liquidity. Where is our overall draw liquidity on for the week? This is our draw liquidity for the week, but for tomorrow to next tomorrow, this should be our draw liquidity. Until this external range liquidity is taken out, this will be our draw liquidity, guys. So let's quickly go to the pairs that we trade, which is GBPUSD. Let's see. Alright, so I didn't catch any trade. I told you guys I was going to look for a buy formation here, but then I could not get that buy because I told you guys I was going to wait for a shallow sweep before I take any buy, but then I didn't get that, so I didn't take this trade, guys. One thing I noticed is that price gave a change of character here, and then uh, coming into Sunday, which is going into Monday, liquidity was taken out from this level, and price traded into this order block here. If you look at this very closely, now this order block has an imbalance, a fair value gap attached to it. This is what happened where price traded into on Sunday, right? After we had this this change of character to the upside. And remember what I said, we have a fair value gap, and this is the structural liquidity. The liquidity was taken out and price traded into, if you look at it, you can call this you can pretty call this what is it called, inducement, right? So because a liquidity was taken out here, and price traded into, left this order block right here, and pretty price in fact everything was just balanced, right? So I actually saw no reason why price should trade to the downside. That's what I'm trying to explain, guys. So that's for the entry. So that's the reason why price did not trade back into to take out a shallow, right? Which is pretty cool for me. Guys, it's better to follow your rules, right? So I wanted to see price trade back downwards, even though price had already like was balanced already, right? So guys, and I missed the trade, which is okay for me. So what am I looking at tomorrow, which is the real London section? I'm looking at, just look for a shift during, once it's London open, I'll look for a change of character on the 15 minutes time frame to the downside, or a break of structure. You see, we are actually at the fair value gap that we outlined yesterday too. So these things, this we actually outlined all of these yesterday, right? So if you look at it on the daily time frame, look at what price did, and this is actually another day open candle. So there's a fair value gap on the daily time frame, and price has traded into that fair value gap. Let's see if price will reject off and start trading away from that fair value gap. It might not, it might, but our bias currently is that price is going to start selling right from this fair value gap, right? Whatever it does, guys, we just follow it price. So Guys, so that's just it. What I'm looking at on GBPUSD, actually almost the same opposite on the GBP. This guy too, Euro USD, and I told you guys yesterday that we also outlined this, and I told you guys there's another block here, and there's a tiny fair value gap here that is yet to be filled, and currently price has filled that. And also, if you notice, the reason why I'm not looking at trading Euro USD is because I told you guys that I was even going to look for buy, but for sell I'm not going to look for sell because Euro USD is proving very strong. It failed to take out this external range liquidity, it failed to take out that low, which makes me I really don't want to go through all that trauma of taking trade that will not move. So I'm actually looking at GBP USD sell on Tuesday. Actually, GBPJPY, I forgot to tell you guys yesterday. This was actually what I had also anticipated on GBPJPY yesterday, and then I don't know if news occurred that just made price to fill up all this fair value gap here and started trading high. I didn't take any trade because uh, this was what I was looking at, right? So before price traded downwards, I was looking at this. If you notice, guys, price just rejected off, right, and started to, was at a premium, and I'm supposed to buy at a discount. Look at, there was no confirmation entry on the discount at all. Price only gave a confirmation on the premium, so I decided not to take the trade, guys. So that's just it, guys, for that. So let's quickly take a look at SAUSD trade. I actually took this trade and I dropped this trade on the group, but then for me I lost the trade. Let me show you guys how I lost the trade. I think I also told you guys yesterday that I was looking for XAU to buy into this level, this fair value gap, this imbalance on the 4 hour time frame, guys. That's actually what I was looking at. I was looking at buying around this region, right? But then I actually bought, but then price did just it's just doing its thing, right? So I bought from here when price traded away from here, and then I bought. Price came here, I was still on the trade. I doubt this was where price took me in. So price tapped me in, stopped me out, right, and then started going my direction, right? So this actually what happened on gold. So why did I not wait for Asia low sweep before going into this trade? The reason why I did not go for Asia low sweep is simple. On gold, so most times after backtesting gold, I realized that most times if gold wants to move, it doesn't necessarily have to take out Asia low, right? Considering the fact that you have already seen a change of character here and then another break of structure here, it therefore means that this gold is actually ready to trade higher. If you look at what price did there, price actually traded downwards into fill up this volume imbalance, right? So that's the reason what I had to just take my trade here. I didn't know that price would still come to take out this low, but then that's actually what price did, which is fine by me, guys. So there's no big deal about that. I lost the trade. I wish I can show you guys my account, but I lost the trade. It's as simple as that. So however, my bias has not changed. I'm still looking at this guy being traded into, right? So once price trade into this fair value gap, and I'm sure that we are at a premium, we start selling, right? So once I see price trade into this premium level, I'll start looking for selling opportunities, guys. So that's what I'm looking at on gold, which is tomorrow, guys. So well, for tomorrow I'm still sure that gold is still going to continue buying into this level. Well, I don't know when it's going to, if it's going to just expand very well and then start selling. But this is actually what I'm looking at. Looking at gold selling into. So why am I looking at sell? Why am I saying gold is a sell stuff, right? I was saying that price has taken out all of this, but then what I'm looking at, guys, if you notice something, guys, there is an internal range, like this is a liquidity sweep, right, creating an inducement here, guys. So this is an inducement, right? So price, if you go to the 4 hour time frame, it will clear out to you guys. So if you go to the 4 hour time frame, price created a structural liquidity, right? And then this structural liquidity was taken out, and the price tapped into where, if you look at it here, into the order block, right? So something like this, I guess. So tapped into this other block, which is the inducement, the other block that was created after the inducement, and the is it the other block that was created right when the inducement was created. I don't know the right words to use, so let's just take it like that, right? So price just traded into it, and then you can see taking out all the structural liquidity, and then remember we were actually bearish overall, right? So that's actually why I'm still looking at a bearish move, and gold selling onto the into these levels, right? So but remember, this is a very strong level that before gold can take it out, only God knows. But then it's a very strong level. Looking at it since April, gold has not taken out. In fact, since April, gold has not taken out this level. But hopefully, going to the weekly time frame, if you look at the weekly time frame carefully, you notice something, guys. Price has not taken out, like price has not been able to close with a candle body above this level, which is 2236 level, right? It has not. So hopefully this bearish move is going to continue, guys. So but if it doesn't, if this high is taken out, it therefore means that we are into where it's price is actually moving into the bullish trend, right? So but let's still be looking at bearish move, right? So that's it, guys. I hope this video is helpful to you, guys. So good luck.